Hey everybody, it's KK. Today we're gonna go over a few tips and tricks, do's and don'ts of Texas Roadhouse. Let's begin. Alright, well we don't open until 4, so if you have like a 3:30, 3:45 shift, you're just gonna have to ring this little doorbell here. And somebody will let you in.
Hey KK, how are you today?
Let's get to work. Hey, I'm your business. You don't have to show my number to do that.
Okay, so this is where you go to check in whenever to get your section and stuff. You'll check in with the manager. She'll give you a check-in slip. On the check-in slip, it'll have your table numbers on it. It'll also have your performance measures from the prior week before. So it'll have your PPA, your smother number, your load number, all that good stuff.
Perfect, so this is for you, and then you can open bids tonight, okay?
Okay.
Okay.